Temps are plummeting, and we've seen even some flurries out there. And Brett, it's only going to get colder.
Absolutely. Our below freezing temperature count out up to 5 hours, and that'll continue probably into Saturday. Looking ahead to the Christmas weekend forecast, tomorrow is a cold day for those last-minute shoppers. If you're out and about, bundle up, 25 degrees. It starts off very cold Saturday morning for Christmas Eve. It's a bright day, but a brisk day with a high finally cracking the freezing mark in the afternoon. Christmas Day itself, cold to start with temperatures in the teens, warming to the low 40s by the afternoon, but that is still below average. Right now, Tyler Pounds Regional, no delays. It's cloudy. It is 19 degrees outside at Dallas-Fort Worth, 15 degrees. Houston Hobby at 39. Over in Shreveport, it's 27. No delays reported there. No delays around the region, including down in San Antonio or out at Lake Charles. We go a little wider out. Little Rock looks really good right now. OKC okay, but once you get up to Chicago, look at those delays. If you have a connecting flight through Chicago, expect to be sitting and waiting. It's almost up to 2.5 hours at this point. All right, for us here in East Texas, it is brutally cold tonight. 7 in Tyler, 8 in Longview, 9 in Nacogdoches tonight. Lufkin down to 10, 9 at Athens, Carthage down to 9 under a clear sky. But will these be record lows? No. The record low for tonight in Tyler, 0 degrees back in 1989, 2 degrees in Longview, and 2 degrees at Lufkin. All right, Future Skycast starts us off tomorrow morning. Few clouds in here. Temperatures are in the teens. We warm back to the mid-20s by the afternoon. That's it. It is a cold day. Saturday morning, maybe some cloud cover keeps temperatures in the lower 20s, but I think it's falling back into the teens again. And then Saturday afternoon, we're finally above freezing for Christmas Eve. If you're headed out to Christmas Eve services, dinner, family gatherings, make sure you are bundling up. And then Christmas morning, temperatures in the lower 20s. So the Christmas Day planner goes something like this: 22 with a hard freeze again. By noon, we're up to 35. Winds will be light and variable, cool but not frigid, with a temperature around 40 at 5 p.m. So let's compare that to the last 20 years of record keeping. This Christmas could end up being as cold as 1998. That would put it among the coldest Christmases here in the last 20 to 25 years in East Texas. It was pretty cold back in 2017, but the high was near 50. 2010 was warmer in the morning than will be this year. 2009 about as close as what it'll be this year. So maybe that, but if temperatures are only around 40 or 41 with morning lows in the teens, I think it would make it as cold as 1998. All right, tonight, partly cloudy. This evening, giving way to clearing skies overnight. It'll also be windy this evening, then blustery overnight. Bitter cold down to 7, but again, wind chill values tonight 0 to 10 below with a wind chill advisory in effect. And a north-northwest wind at 13 miles an hour. Baylor Scott White, Texas Spine and Joint Hospital, 7-day forecast. Bitter cold morning tomorrow. It's just a cold winter's day up to 25. Another hard freeze here Christmas Eve morning down to 15, 35 in the afternoon. It's a nice rebound on Christmas, 19 in the morning up to 41. A chilly feel Monday. 25 in the morning, 50 for the high with light winds, a little better Tuesday. Clouds are increasing Wednesday, and lo and behold, we go from some of the deepest, darkest cold temperatures we've had on tomorrow to a week from now, rain and thunder and temperatures back to 70 degrees. That is quite the weather whiplash here toward the end of the year. We'll look at the 7-day forecast again before the end of the show.